Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
So please prepare, take the chapter Rural Development. I'll be asking questions. Think what will be the answer. We'll just have a discussion on rural development. Okay. Okay, the first question, listen carefully. It's an MCQ question. What does rural development imply? Options are development of agriculture, provision of health facilities in rural areas, spread of education among rural people, everything that raises a quality of life of rural people. What will be the answer? Once more, I'll read. Listen, everyone. What does rural development imply? Development of agriculture, provision of health facilities in rural areas, spread of education among rural people, everything that raises quality of life of rural people. Anila, can you say the answer?
Is it everything that raises
Yeah, everything that raises the quality of life of rural people. Next question. Rural development includes, just 1 minute. Rural development includes dash and dash upliftment of the rural areas. Answers: economic and legal, social and economic and technical, economic and political. Options once more: economic and legal, social and economic and technical, economic and political. Aparna?
Ma'am, is it option B?
Option B, social and economic. Next one. Which one of the following is not a part of human resource development? Sanitation, literacy, transport, skill development. Anjo? Which one of the following is not a part of human resource development? Sanitation, literacy, transport, skill development. What will be the answer? Which one?
Skill development.
Skill development. Tomlin?
Ma'am, transport.
Transport. Anjo, I feel that you might have not heard the question properly. Which one of the following is not a part of? Not a part. So whenever they ask a negative question, please take note of that. We may get confused. We may not just note that not is not there or no, that kind of words we will not check. Okay. So just keep it in your mind. Next one, transport is answer. Okay. Next one. Which one of the following is not a part of infrastructure development? Transport, skill development, irrigation, electricity. Amal? Which one of the following is not a part of infrastructure development? Transport,
Irrigation.
skill development, irrigation, electricity. Ashish?
Options once more.
Transport, skill development, irrigation, electricity.
Skill development.
Skill development, that is correct, because they are asking infrastructure. Okay, so when we talk about infrastructure, irrigation comes under infrastructure, electricity also comes under infrastructure. So which one is not a part of infrastructure development? That is skill development. Okay, next one. Which one of the following is taken as an initiative for development of rural India? Human capital formation, poverty alleviation, land reforms, all of the above. Elvina?
All of the above.
All of the above, that's the correct one. Next one. Which one of the following is a reason for delay in rural development? Inadequate infrastructure, lack of employment opportunities in the industry or service sector, increasing casualization of employment, all of the above. Atul?
Ma'am, can you repeat the options?
Inadequate infrastructure, lack of employment opportunities in industry or service sector, increasing casualization of employment, all of the above.
Ma'am, all of the above.
All of the above. That's the correct one. Now, next question. Which of the following is a reason for growing distress among farmers across different parts of India? Question once more. Which of the following is a reason for growing distress among farmers across different parts of India? Options. They have resources to increase productivity only in farm activities and not in non-farm activities. Second one, they do not have access to health care. Next one, there is a lack of public investment in agriculture sector. Next one, education is given more importance compared to employment opportunities. Fasil? Basil, do you know the answer? Hmm?
Can you repeat the option?
Yes. They have resources to increase productivity only in farm activities and not in non-farm activities. They do not have access to health care. There is lack of public investment in agriculture sector. Education is given more importance compared to employment opportunities. Which one is a distress among the farmers? Growing distress among the farmers? Hmm? D, that is education is given more importance. Anybody else feel that which one is, other one is correct? What is correct answer for this?
Lack of public investment in agriculture.
Lack of public investment in agriculture sector. That is the correct one. Why? Listen the question carefully. Growing distress among farmers. When we talk about farmers, it is related to agriculture. Nothing related to education, nothing related to health care, nothing like that. So which one is more apt one? You have to select that. Okay. Next one. Why is it considered to replace the private money lender by institutional source of credit? Why is it considered to replace private money lender by institutional source of credit? Options are: the source of credit was irregular, money lender took advantages of ignorance of cultivator, the rate of interest was invariably high, and the last one, all of the above. What is the answer? What they are asking, why is it necessary to replace the money lender by the institutional source of credit? Aditya?
Ma'am, can you repeat the options?
Supply of credit was irregular. Money lender took advantages of ignorance of the cultivator. Rate of interest was invariably high. All of the above.
All of the above.
All of the above. That's the correct one. When did India adopt the approach of social banking and multi-agency? 1959, 1969, 1979, 1989. At approach of social banking and multi-agency. Approach of social banking in the sense they are giving, when they started giving importance to institutional credit. Aishwarya, did you get the answer?
1969.
1969. Okay. Okay, next one. Which of the following is an institutional source of rural credit? Money lenders, traders, regional rural banks, landlords. Amal. Institutional source of rural credit. Unmute. You have kept it mute. Unmute that.
Ma'am, regional rural bank.
Yes, regional rural banks. That's the correct one. Which of the following institutions came into being to fully merge the formal credit system into overall rural social and community development? Once more the question. Which of the following institutions came into being to fully merge the formal credit system into overall rural society and community development? Options: self-help group, commercial banks, regional rural banks, land development banks. Grishma.
Ma'am, option B.
What is it?
Option B.
See, the question, see which one of the following. They are merging with the formal credit system. Okay. And that is aiming at social and community development. What is that? Which one aims at social and community development, especially in the rural areas?
Self-help group.
Self-help group. Okay, it is slowly working like formal credit system. Next one. What does NABARD stand for? I mean, full form of NABARD. National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, National Bank for Agriculture and Real Development, National Bank for Agriculture and Real Development, National Bank for Native Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Karthik.
National Bank for Agricultural and Rural Development.
Rural Development. Okay. Next one. What is a Kudumbashree? When was it implemented? Options: a women-oriented community-based Empower program, 1980. A women-oriented community-based employment generation program, 1985. A women-oriented community-based healthcare program, 1990. A women-oriented community-based poverty reduction program, 1995. Anna. Anila.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question, options?
Options, years I'll just tell first: 80, 85, 90, 95. Okay, so at least think in which terms it will be correct. The women-oriented
95.
1995. So a women-oriented community-based poverty reduction program, 1995. How much thrift saving was mobilized under Kudumbashree? Rupees 1 lakh, rupees 10 lakh, rupees 1 crore, rupees 10 crore. I think in your textbook that numbers, it was different, right? Aishwarya, did you change that number?
Ma'am, it's same in this one.
It is?
The changes are in the macroeconomics book of mine.
Okay. Anybody has done that changes in the textbook? Anyone? No. Okay, just listen and tell me 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore, 10 crore. What is given in your textbook?
1 crore.
1 crore. Okay, that is the correct one. Okay. Next one. How many women became, that is not needed. Wait. Next one. Under which of the following schemes the members of India's parliament need to identify and develop one village from their constituencies? They have given one case study in your textbook regarding in the same in this chapter. I think towards the last alternative that farming system, towards in that just before one page, I think they are taking one parliamentary parliament members, they are taking one village as an adopted one, and they are doing for the improvement of the village. Okay, they are working for the improvement of the village. So what is that program? That's what they are asking. It is Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Kushal Vikas Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Adarsh Grama Yojana. Which one is the correct one? Irfan,
Option A,
which one?
Sansad.
Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana. Okay, that's the correct one. Just let me take one more. Two statements, okay? It is essential to develop proper storage facilities in rural areas. Reason? Farmers can wait for better price for their products in the market. So it's an assertion reasoning. Which one will be the correct? You know, first option always it will be both assertion and reason are true. And reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Second option will be both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation. C is assertion is true, reason is false. D is assertion is false and reason is true. Question. Once more, it is essential to develop proper storage facilities in rural areas. Farmers can wait for better price for their products in the market. What will be the option? Shubham, do you know? What will be the answer?
No, ma'am.
Any option, you just try. What will be the answer?
No, can you repeat the option?
Options I told, it is a standard for everything. Assertion and reason are true, or is the reason is the correct explanation of A. Second one, assertion and reason is true, but reason is not the correct explanation. Then assertion is true, reason is false. Assertion is false, reason is true.
C, I think assertion is true, but reason is false.
The question is, once more, it is essential to develop proper storage facilities in rural areas. What are they telling? We should develop storage facilities in the rural areas. Is it false?
No, it's true.
It is true. Then what about reason? Farmers can wait. Why they should introduce this particular storage facility? Farmers can wait for better price for their products in the market. Whether it is true or not.
No, ma'am.
It is wrong. Is it wrong?
Yes,
So if
ma'am.
I explanation, assertion and reasoning, it is correct, and at the same time, reason is the correct explanation of A. That's a correct one. Next one. In rural India, horticulture plays a vital role in providing food and nutrition to the rural people. Various horticultural activities in Indian villages have improved the economic conditions of many farmers. Such activities have become a lucrative source of livelihood for many women in the rural India. So, role in providing food and nutrition to the rural population. Various horticultural activities in Indian villages have improved the economic conditions of many farmers. Such activities have become a lucrative source of livelihood for many women in the rural India. Which option will be the correct? I told options, all the options will be same for all the questions. Assertion and reason. Tomlin, what will be the answer?
Ma'am, A.
A, that is the correct one. Both assertion and reason, it is correct. Next question. The Prime Minister urged to increase the rural income by increasing non-farm activities. Non-farm activities provide alternative avenues of sustainable livelihood and may raise the level of income as the risk due to fluctuations in production and market prices is generally less. Which option will be correct? Sneha?
Ma'am, option B.
Option, both are correct. Assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation. Okay. This. Atul, read the question.
Which one of the following is a non-institutional source of credit?
Which
Option
one
A,
of
money
which of
lenders.
wait. Which one of the following is given? What is the question?
Is not a.
Is not. So when you are reading, please give stress to that word if it is there.
Okay. Option A, money lenders. Option B, cooperative credit. Option C, traders and commission agents. And option D, land development banks.
Okay, Anila, can you tell the answer?
Ma'am, is it money lenders?
See the question. Money lend, not a non-institutional in the sense they are asking which one is an institutional source of credit, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what will be the answer?
Ma'am, cooperative credit.
Is it cooperative credit, institutional source of credit?
Ma'am, D, land development.
Land development banks. So see, you have to take the most apt one. Cooperative, if other things are not given, if land development banks is not given, we can include that. The apt, appropriate one we have to take, okay? Okay, next, Basil, read the question. Basil.
The NABARD RBI is the apex bank which coordinates the functioning of different financial institutions working for expansion of rural credit.
Which bank is considered as apex bank for the rural credit? Shubham, can you tell? Is it RBI or NABARD?
RBI.
Shubham, did you say?
RBI.
RBI. Is it correct, Ashish? It's NABARD, okay? Whenever there is an expansion for the rural credit, rural expansion, I mean the related to the rural credit, NABARD is considered as apex bank. Next question. Karthik, read the question.
Regulated markets were organized to protect the farmers from the malpractices of consumers. True or false?
Aparna, answer.
Ma'am, true.
Regulated markets were organized to protect the farmers from. Why do you say it is true? It's true. Why do you say it's true? It is correct. What is the reason?
Ma'am, because malpractices happen, so in order to
In the
reduce that,
sense, see, there is a chance that in the market they may influence the price. Regulated market mainly, you can see the government regulate the prices. Okay, that is why they say that it is mainly to protect the farmers from the consumers. Next one, case study 2. Read the question. First one, the question is not complete. Aishwarya, read the question.
government improve agricultural marketing through dash control or regulate.
Regulate, but that question is not complete. So what can be the option in that?
Regulated marketing.
Regulated marketing. It is actually they are improving the agriculture marketing system through regulated markets, or they regulate through the markets. It can be brought like that also. Okay. Second question, Aditya, can you read?
Agricultural marketing is a process that involves all of these.
Oh, answer she told directly. Okay, that is the correct one. All of these, that is the answer. Next one, Elvina. What happened? Elvina,
Yes,
did
ma'am.
you say something? No, right? Did you read the question?
No, ma'am.
Okay, read the question.
The first steps was regulation of markets to create orderly and transparent marketing conditions. True or false?
What is the answer? Elvina. True, that's the correct one. Okay, now next is case study 3. They may give the case study. Sometimes there is a chance that you may get the answer. Otherwise, it will not be there. If related to that, they may ask the question. Okay, you can read. Just check in your textbook, is it given nearly 6 crore? Is it the year is 2019 or not? The SHG. Just check in your textbook. What is given? Irfan, read the question, first one.
Dash was set up in 1982 as an apex body to coordinate the activities of all institutions involved in the rural financing system.
What is the answer?
NABARD.
NABARD, that's the correct one. Sharath, next question.
The dash was a harbinger of major changes in the credit system as it led to the diversification of the portfolio of rural credit towards production-oriented lending.
Okay.
A. Green Revolution. B. Golden Revolution. C. White Revolution. D. None of these.
What is that? What will be the answer, Sharath? Guess. A wild guess. Huh?
None of these.
That's Green Revolution. Okay. Like a starting point which brought changes in the credit system. Green Revolution is the one. Okay. Aparna, next question.
Recently, SCGs have emerged to fill the gap in the formal credit system. Such credit provisions are generally referred to as, ma'am, option B.
Option B, micro credit programs. That is the correct one. Okay. Aditya, next question.
Which of the following part is not a part of institutional structure of rural banking today? Option C.
Option C, non-banking finance companies. Remaining all are part of institutional structure. Only non-banking is not a part of finance. Is not a part of institutional structure. Okay. Okay, then let me take the attendance. 1 minute. So next period, you will have a test. And I want everyone to be present, okay, for the test. It will be an experience for you. Okay. Aditya? Anila?
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Anju? Aparna?
Present, ma'am.
Atul? Basal? Sabina?
Present, ma'am.
Hannah? Karthik? Irfan?
Present, ma'am.
Pavitra? Sharath?
Yes, ma'am.
Shubham? Tomlin?
Present, ma'am.
Hadi? Aishwarya?
Present, ma'am.
Amal? Amal Raj? Ashish?
Present, ma'am.
Elvina?
Present, ma'am.
Grishma? Sneha?
Present, ma'am.
Okay, so everyone should be present for the next period. Test will be conducted. Okay, bye. Thank you.